Need to get that tuck point down. The porch looking real good. Real snazzy. Alright. Let's roll over to the other. So yeah, I'm gonna keep keep a lot of stuff. Ain't no point in throwing it away. I might keep this stove too. Oh, this is nice. So he said he's gonna hook me up through the whole house for $17,000. Just labor though. Still gotta buy all the materials. That's not bad. $17,000 to do this whole house. Closet here.
His name is Pablo. That way you can pay him over the phone.
Pablo, okay. You said how much? $450?
He always do 450.
Cool. All right.
Yeah, but the good thing is that it's a big dumpster. It's not like your uncle's that small.
Yeah, see, you got a lot of room. That was fast. It's for the ceiling.
No, I'm saying that
Asbestos? Probably so. Should cover up. Let's get out of here. What's up? ¿Qué pasó? I'm learning. Okay, so the beams go this way. That way.
It's my folks, but it's not.
Requiere que el fabricante de 290 caballos de fuerza. Potente desde cualquier ángulo.
There is no plugs down here. Oh yeah, it gotta be. He's using this plug. I thought it was. I thought it could fit here, but it's too small.
No, yes, too small.
That's gonna be an expensive
No,
one.
las ventanas no se deben de tirar. Nos corren a la verga, entonces sí.
And this window look like somebody broke it. I'm gonna have to change it, but I could probably get it from Pappas. So the beams go this way, huh?
Yeah,
Nice.
which is good.
Very. I likes. Yeah, they got tall ceilings.
Yeah.
Taller. But oh, what you want to show me? For the what'd you say? The basement?
Oh.
The drain. What happened?
So like that part right there, that's why it's wet, because the water comes in.
Okay.
Because it's too much water, especially now that the floor is getting out of frozen, so it's really wet.
Hi.
Is this live?
It's
Oh no!
We go to Home Depot and get everything at once.
When you want to go?
Can we start this one too?
Tomorrow?
Want to go once because I gotta be at the house in the morning anyway. Remember, I gotta let the water department in, so we can leave from there to go. Once the
I could go and we could do phone sale and I grab everything.
oh, if you're gonna do phone sale, yeah. Because I set up the account.
That way
the new
we
account.
get the
Okay. Take off, drop the wife back off. If you need me, let me know.
No. Tomorrow we're gonna do that for we can.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta be in there. I gotta be over at the other house at 8 because they're gonna be there. They say they're gonna be there.
He's gonna do the mudding in the other house. That way everything is safe one.
Who? Oh, okay.
Gustavo. His name is Gustavo.
Gustavo. Sounds like a mob boss.
Yes, sir. Ponle todas las ventanas ahí. Oh.
Cool. That's good to me. Y'all like y'all throwing away good stuff. ¿Qué pasó?
Amigo, ¿cómo está usted?
Excuse me. What's up, Jetty? Looking good in here. Got a piece of wood missing.
Yeah, too.
What happened?
I don't know. You tell me.
So you gotta put a what'd you say, a header over there?
Really, we don't need it. Like right now, I fill it, and you see how it's a header on the other side, and so this one, I'm gonna cut it here even.
You sure you don't need it?
Sure.
You don't need one here?
No.
This don't? Oh, there's one up there. I see.
Yeah. Yeah. So that one is a full piece coming from over to here. And that's a full piece, and plus all this is holding it. So that one's holding it, and this one's holding it. There's a holding all the cords.
Okay. I'm gonna tell them kids don't walk through here. Oh, I'm talking about my $1,000. Get out.
Oh, yeah, $1,000.
Oh, duh. Okay. What'd you say?
Let me see.
Let you see what? It's in the bank. I don't carry cash. You wanna see the bank account? Let's say boy.
You can buy everything.
Huh?
You can buy everything.
Boy, come on.
That's what I mean. You can buy Robux.
I ain't buying y'all no Roblox. That's a waste of my money.
You can have a dog. I know. You can have a dog.
Yeah, I know. I like this yard, right? No, it is. Our yard is a little bit smaller than this. I don't know. It might be about the same. Nah, it's section. It's cut differently. Come on. To the left. To the left. To the left. To the left. See all that nice work? Y'all need to learn how to do that. Maybe Jerry will teach you one day. Maybe if
You wanna learn?
I want to learn.
They don't wanna learn.
You don't wanna
They look
learn?
at each other.
It's not a chainsaw, it's a regular saw.
That's awesome.
Zawzaw, there you go.
conference.
Oh yeah, parent teachers conference. I'll tell them you said, hey,